Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? So this is live price prediction of Reef Finance coin, my brother, and you can see my brother plus 7.61%. The Reef Finance price is increased now. So just in only in the crypto market, one of the unique coin Reef Finance, so they will get a profit. Otherwise, all currencies were very badly falls down. So therefore, I note this my friend in crypto market, and I decide to make a video especially for my viewers, my subscriber, and for Reef holders now. So refinance holder this time absolutely the price decreasing, but don't worry my brother, I am 100% sure to in upcoming time there is a chance to refinance will wake up and they will move upward. But don't my friend, I also can't expect this, but absolutely the expert says my friends to 2 or 3 days there is a chance to refinance for fails down now. But don't worry, I hope my brothers to after a jump absolutely if they will fails down for a short time then it's not bad now. And this does not mean to you will starting selling, especially long time investor. If short-term investors starting selling, then this does not mean my brothers you will also starting selling. Kindly be safe from the loss and don't starting selling. Hold it now. I hope my brothers they will give you a profit. They will make you a millionaire now. So see you next time. Refinance holder, my prediction is totally going to be positive now, and absolutely in my previous video I already tell this now. To upcoming time there is a chance to refinance price will increasing, but if you are hold now. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you next time.